Hi, this is Niki in Japan. So, how do you think about my haircut? Anyways, today my new phone arrived. Yeah, so it was delivered by Japan Post. Actually, it should have arrived 2 days ago, but no one was home, so they weren't able to deliver it. And upon delivery, the postman asked me to sign it's some sort of an acknowledgement receipt, and then he gave me my phone. So here it is. I bought it from Yodobashi Camera. So yep, so I'm unboxing it today. Yodobashi. Oops, sorry about that. All right. Dun, 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 dun. So I bought a Motorola E6S. I didn't do a lot of review on this, but I think I'm just looking for a phone where I could use Line. It's a smartphone messaging app. It works just like Facebook Messenger. A lot of Japanese use Line to communicate, so I don't have much use for like SMS and calls. So I just use Line to communicate with them. Ta-da! Here it is. Moto E6S. It has dual camera system. I know it's low spec because I'm cheap. And I bought a SIM-free phone. It has 6.1-inch HD max vision and fingerprint reader. Let's see. Okay. I need a cutter. I don't have a cutter, so I'm getting scissors. Okay. Oh my god, I'm so bad at unboxing. Okay. Let's see. Ta-da! So, here it is. It's 6 inches. It's nice. I kind of like it. Oh, I don't think I can turn it on immediately. I think I have to charge it. So I thought I could use this today, but I guess not. Yeah. Yeah, I remember on first usage, you're supposed to charge your phone, right? So inside the package is the handset, the cell phone itself, and then inside the box, you have the adapter. They still give earphones, that's nice. And it's still using audio jack, and it's using micro USB cable. Yep, that's it. Let's see. They have so it uses micro SD, and I guess it's nano SIM. Yeah, nano SIM, micro SD. I can't read Japanese, so I'm not gonna read this to you. But they have the parts here. They have at the back, there's, I'm gonna read it. At the back, there's main camera. So this one is a main camera. Probably this is the secondary camera. Here is the shoe. I can't read, sorry. And then in front, this is the front camera. This probably is the fingerprint reader. This is the, oh, by the way, it comes with a case. Look at that. It comes with a case. So I don't need to buy a case anymore. Awesome. And oh, here's the micro USB. Audio jack is here. It makes use of, it's nice. It looks very similar to my Huawei P20, so I don't need to adjust at all. Okay, I'm gonna get my phone, my old phone. So this is my Huawei P20. This is Moto E6S. They're almost of the same size. I don't know the complete specs of Huawei P20, but yeah, it's smaller by a bit. And then they have almost the same buttons. So at the side, here are the buttons. Probably this is the volume and this is like sleep button. I don't know. And then the difference is for Huawei P20, it doesn't have an audio jack. This one has an audio jack. And for Huawei P20, it makes use of USB-C. But for Moto E6S, it's making use of, what do you call that? The micro USB. So I think, if I remember right, I have to charge the phone for a long time before, like on the first usage. So I don't think I can use it today. Alright, so that's it. That's me unboxing my phone. So I'm excited to use it. I'll tell you what my opinion is about the phone after I use it. Bye!